Jamaica, watch this.
Okay.
So we start from Santa Cruz, then left Santa Cruz, and someone was telling us that we couldn't go through Alan Bamboo. When we reached through Alan Bamboo, it's Alan alone there, no Bamboo wasn't there. So
Bamboos are gone.
Bamboos are gone.
Jeez.
So we start go across some water with I like river like. So I decide now say I am going to check on my maps and see if the grave all right and see if my granny house is there.
Okay.
When by the time getting there reach of 5 spent, we could not go through the town. We could not reach Catterwood, we couldn't go nowhere through there. So we have to take some back road, lead through one woman yard, go through one next brother yard and come round back on the next part of the road, and that's how we reach around Shoeberry district. When we reach there, my grave, the door knock off, the roof come off, my grandmother house gone, and then it's not only that, the whole entire village, all the houses converted. No rooftop, no depending on the house them.